Okay, so let's get started. Let's go to Composition, New Composition. We will select a preset that we want to work with. I want to work with 1080p, so we will click OK. We will make a new layer. We'll make it the comp size. We will press Enter and call it background. We will then create a new layer, text. We will type text effect. Then we will go to our selection tool. We will drag it to the middle. And over here we have our effects and presets panel. If you do not have this panel, you can go to Window and check it on. So up here is a search bar. If you know what you're looking for, you can type it in there. If not, you can go through the list and find stuff. For me, I know I want a drop shadow, so I will type in drop. And if we go down the list, we can find drop shadow right here. So what we'll do is we'll click it, drag, and do you see the difference of this will be applied to the text, this will be applied to our background layer. So what we want is on the text. Or we can drop it on the actual layer down here if we want. Over here we have our Effect Controls panel. This is where we make changes to our effects in After Effects. So right now we have one effect on this text layer called Drop Shadow. And it has several different settings inside that can be changed. We can change the color. For example, if we want it red, we can see there's a slight red drop shadow now. We can make it 100% so it's not transparent at all. It's more of a border. We can change the direction of it so it sits off to the top left or goes to the bottom right. We can change the distance from 0 all the way up to wherever we want to go. And we can change the softness or spread of the text. So for me, I normally leave that at 0. I put this about 3 and I leave it at black. So it looks more of, just gives a little bit of pop to the text.